Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this ALFELE 43-inch folding claw to go ahead and review, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's take a quick look at this. Again, it's 43 inches long. I can't even fit this whole thing on the screen. This is really, really nice. It's nice and long. It's big. It's a good reach. This is perfect for people who are stuck in wheelchairs or for shorter people or for if you even just have storage things that are in places that you can't normally reach. I'm going to show you a couple cool features of it. Right off the back, you do have a wrist strap, so if you drop it, you don't have to worry about it. If your hands are a little slippery, you don't have to worry about it. Two, it actually operates with this little trigger. And when I pull that trigger, it's a whole big hand trigger, so you can't miss it. It's not just a finger, it's hand, so it's comfortable. And when you do that, you can see there's the claw closing. This is a beautiful claw. This has rubber inserts here. It holds it in nice and tight. This is kind of like a grippy claw. So if you have picking up something slick or slippery, this will hold it. It's a really, really good grip. You can see the grip there. It's really, really pretty nice. Another really cool thing about this is about 4 inches wide. Another cool thing about this, you ready? So let me see here. So when I'm looking at it like this, and I can go ahead and reach and grab something, but sometimes you need to grab from a different angle. Maybe you got to pull it sideways, or maybe you got to pull it at a diagonal. That is where this next part comes in. This head here, the head actually lifts up, and I can then twist it and put it back in. And now I'm at an angle. I can actually put it all the way to the angle. So now I'm 90 degrees. So now instead of going instead of going like this, I'm like this, and my hand is still straight. So I can actually turn this 360 degrees and get any angle I want. And the cool thing is there's a bunch of little categories here, like little gradations, little gears. You can put it any of those angles. It's a whole bunch. You are really, really flexible in how you can turn this thing. It really works pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see here. I'm going to put it back to that for now. Okay? I'm going to now show you how this works. So here I am. I'm going to open this cabinet. There we go. Oh, I need some iced tea from the top. I just grab it and I pull it down. Oh, wait. Iced tea? That's too light. I actually need some soup can or some chili beans. No problem. Again, you can see how strong this thing is. This is metal. This is not plastic. It holds it nice and tight. I can twirl it around. I can twist it. It's not going anywhere. It is nice and secure. Of course, it works outside too. If I need something on that top shelf way up there, I just use my claw. I reach up there, I grab it, and I can pull it down. Let's see if I can get it. Ta-da! And there we go. I have my kite. Neat. You can also use home improvement projects like this. So I have to actually trim this tree, but I can't reach some of those branches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my claw. There we go. I can reach up there and then I can pull them down. If I have fruit trees, I can go ahead and pick apples or peaches off my trees as well. But I can just pull it down. I can go ahead and cut that branch, let it go, and let it go back up. The really cool thing about this great big long claw is you don't have to keep it as a great big long claw. You can actually go ahead and pack it away and carry it with you in a backpack or a bag, or even in like a pocket behind a wheelchair. Watch this. Here's the first section. There's a little latch right here. I just lift it up and I put the hook up and it claps together. I'm going to do it on the other side. I lift it up. I pull the hook out. I claps it together just like that. Check this out. It even has, see this? Velcro strap. It's elastic and Velcro. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. There we go. Look at how small it is. That will now nice and thin. It will fit into a backpack or a bag. You just carry it with you. You can keep it to the side. You can put it in your car. You can do whatever you want. Really pretty nice. Nice and portable. Again, to open it up, all you do is take the strap off, stretch it out, and put the hooks in. I'll do this one this way, and I'll do this one. Let's see here. Whoop, there we go. That way. Clicks in real nice and easy. And now I have a 43-inch claw.